Hello, everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a payment method on eBay. If you're looking to link a credit or debit card to your account for easier transactions, here's how you can do it. First, open a web browser and go to ebay.com. Once you're on the site, click on Sign In at the top left corner and log into your account. After signing in, click on your name in the top left and select Account Settings. In the Account Settings menu, click on Payments under the Payment Information section. There, you'll see an option to add credit or debit card. Click on it and enter your card details. After you've entered your card information, scroll down and click Add. You'll also see your billing address displayed. If needed, you can click Edit to update it. Once everything is correct, confirm by clicking Add, and your card will be successfully added to your eBay account. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tutorials.